Welcome back to our channel, guys. This video is all about airdrop and a coin based on, so guys, don't miss this video. This could be very useful to you guys. Okay, let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, today's video is all about Meta UFO airdrop. Yesterday I posted this airdrop video. Okay, those who are not yet claimed this airdrop must claim this airdrop, guys. More than $3,000 worth is going on. See here, I'll show you in my trust wallet. This is the Meta UFO airdrop, guys. I just claimed yesterday $3,500 worth. 5,000 Meta UFO, $3,500 worth is there. So this airdrop is going to unlock on June 28th. Okay, so don't miss this airdrop, guys. Just join this airdrop. Okay, don't miss this. Okay, so guys, this Meta UFO, okay, this is IDO. The Meta UFO reached $1. Okay, as soon it will reach $10. That's a post they are given. So join IDO, you can join here. Airdrop link is this one, you can join here. Okay, so IDO price is 0.0073, listed Pancakeswap right now $0.70 trading. So the airdrop will be unlocking on June 28th, guys. This year June 28th this is going to unlock. That time you can sell and book profit, guys. Okay, so Meta UFO. So another post they are given, drop your BNB wallet and I'll send you $5,000. This is the post from that Meta UFO. Okay, so I'll show you in trust wallet, guys, what the thing is going on in the Meta UFO. Okay, just opening my trust wallet, just clicking on Meta UFO. This is a Meta UFO website. Okay, so I'm just opening. This is a Meta UFO. I'm connected my wallet. Okay, so if anybody want to join airdrop, you can click on this join airdrop and there will be link called Meta UFO at airdrop.com/bot. You can click on this bot link and you can attend the airdrop, guys. Okay, so you will be getting 5,000 coins immediately, guys. Okay, once you get 5,000 coins you can claim. I already claimed, so right now I have one invited user, so I can claim minimum 5,000. I can claim, so two more person if I'm inviting I can claim again 5,000, guys. Okay, so guys, don't miss it. So IDO rated, see here, 0.00004 BNB for one Meta UFO. IDO start at Wednesday. Yes, yesterday it started. Okay, so IDO entered April 29, guys. Okay, so unlocked at June 28, guys. So your airdrop coins, everything you can sell it on June 28th, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. You should attend this airdrop. If you not yet watched the airdrop video, yesterday I posted it. Must you watch the video and you can attend this Meta UFO airdrop, guys. If you attend this, damn sure in June when they are unlocking, you can sell and you can book profit, guys. Okay, so don't miss this, guys. This could be surely worthwhile for you in future. Okay, so never ever miss any airdrop, guys. That's what I used to suggest for all the people. Okay, so just again I'm opening Meta UFO buy. Okay, that page, the website page. So guys, here this is things they are given. You will be getting more than 100x to 500x profit, guys. Don't miss this. Okay, just attend your airdrop and keep calm. In June when they unlock, you can book profit, guys. This Meta UFO is a great project and the airdrop is going on. Once it's launching into market, see here, IDO price is 0.007, February 0.07, May $2, June $5. Already right now nearby $1, $0.7 running. Okay guys, so don't miss it, guys. Everybody must join in this one. Okay, so don't miss this airdrop. Airdrop is must. If you can climb, you can earn more money in airdrop also. So guys, already I posted a airdrop video. If you not yet watched, I'll show you right now airdrop video. Okay, So never ever miss any airdrop, guys. That's what I used to suggest for all the followers. Okay, so this is the Meta UFO airdrop video, guys. Okay, out of tokens I got. Okay, this is a Meta UFO airdrop video, so don't miss it, guys. This is a airdrop video. Just join and claim your tokens. Damn sure you will get more profit once they unlock the coins, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. This is the Meta UFO airdrop free coins worth more than $3,000. See here, I'll show you in Trust Wallet how much it worth right now. See here, this is the Meta UFO right now, $3,500 worth. Okay, guys, so don't miss it. Must join the airdrop, guys, and be ready to book the profit in June, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much. This Meta UFO can rock the moon, guys. Thank you so much.